Fake southeast, fake southeast, fake southeast, fake southeast. Fake southeast. Nice. Tapunan mo. Come back. Ready, defensive. Someone counter, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by the wall. Come back northwest. Keep, do you guys have hammer?
On the way.
Hold northwest.
Nating pag-ibig.
Just hold.
Giliw.
Just hold. Their color is...
Ito, kanta mo muna.
Kung makita yung color.
Hindi lang ako kasi.
They gonna engage. Listen, they're gonna engage, okay? Care.
Level 18 now.
Harmonic. Beyond the door. Stuck on the door. Get ready. Okay, we're gonna fake. Listen. Click the door out. Comes out. Fake southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake now. Nice. Hold. Come back. Spread here. Come back northwest. Come back north. Please, come back north fast. Come back north. Ready, east wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. But Ginny, come north. Come north. Hill up. Come north. Click the door. Listen, click the door.
Take ako, sir.
Yeah. Wait lang. Click the door. Heels on Mori, okay? Hold. Hill up. Click the door again. Hold on the door. Listen. Come southeast.
South ulit sila ng
Comes out. Listen, you're gonna engage on harmonic, okay? Listen. I'm gonna fake, okay? Keep going southeast.
Down sila.
Come southeast.
Looking at you.
Comes out. Yo, fake south now, and we're gonna kite north. Listen, kite north now. Kite north. They engaging. Counter walking. Ready, southeast, deep southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. On the count. Come northwest. Listen, come northwest. Hills on Gulimar. Kite northwest. Listen. Kite northwest. Listen. Hold on the high ground. Come northwest. Spread. Come northwest. Listen. Kite northwest. Listen, spread here. Spread. They're looking. No, that's a fake. It's a fake. Yo, I'm gonna fake southeast, okay? I'm gonna fake. Counter, hold northwest. Come back northwest. Hold. Gumamit na sila ng Helion Hood. Look southeast on the shield. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shield now. Come northwest. Defensive at the same time. Hills on Gulimar. Come northwest, please. Hills on the Gulimar. Hold on the high ground. Listen, hold on the high ground, please. D-tanks inch up. D-tanks come up. Come up, please. Come up. Everybody come up. We need to bait them.
May cooldown ako.
Hold. That's
Shaper,
they engage. Walk southeast. Listen, walk southeast. Just walk.
Big
Nice fake. Let it southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Oh, it's big. Full tap. Come northwest. Hold, brawl in. Listen, brawl in. Hill up and brawl. Listen, hill up and brawl. Ready spread. They have cooldown. Listen, come northwest. They engaging now. Dalawa na engage. Come northwest. Dalawa na engage. Listen, they have to engage. Listen. Kite northwest, everybody. Kite northwest, please. Kite northwest, guys. Come northwest.
Cooldown ako, sir.
Come northwest. Hold here. Ilan na disarray nila? 17 pa rin.
Pick nyo na to.
The caller is this guy. Walk southeast and spread. Spread. They're looking soon. Nice fake. Hold, spread. Nag-fake sila. They're gonna engage soon. Listen, they're engaging. Walk southeast. Nice GA. Walk southeast. On their back and listen. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Full wipe. Come northwest. Brawl in. Come southeast. Keep walking southeast. Listen, we're gonna smash these motherfuckers, okay? Keep peeling and spread. We got 13 seconds. Listen, they're gonna engage soon, okay? Their color is inside of us, okay? They're gonna engage soon. Listen, they're broken. Bounce! Fuck, you run them over. Ready, southeast. 5 seconds southeast, 5 seconds southeast, look southeast, 5 seconds southeast, southeast, 5, headbutt,
That's a fake.
4, 3, 2, 1, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. Heal up. Di mo na more along the way. Spread and brawl. Listen, spread and brawl. Keep healing. Spread and brawl. Keep brawling. Listen, keep brawling. Chase them down. Chase them down. Chase them down. Chase them down, boys. Chase them fucking down. 5 seconds to engage on the fucking collar. Okay, show this motherfucker he's an idiot. Ready, southeast. 3 seconds, southeast. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the collar. Fucking kill the collar.
Who's your lord?
Perma.
Kill everybody.
Who's your
Chase.
lord?
Chase.
Dito po nga itong hype na to.
Who's your lord?
I mean, nahabol akong life curse on the ping.